Pila ko deke, ilan na sa ninyo tayo? Kabulan ba?
Ben and Ben, Madrigal Singers. Hi. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, first time. Sayang.
Oo, Jod. Bisan ganig candy. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Hey, so nice to meet you.
Hi guys.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. We're sweating our blocks off, I'll tell you that much. Oh my goodness. Yes. I don't know how you guys do it. You guys are built different, seriously.
Well, we actually just arrived. So
Like, look at you. Like, what are you dressed in right now? Girl, this is my skin. My skin is out and I'm sweating my ass off. Like, how the hell are you in this and not dying?
fine. All for SB19.
Oh my,
yes.
seriously. Anything
Yeah.
for them, right?
Can we take a picture with
Yes,
you?
of course, of
Where
course.
is where's the embryo? By the way?
We had to divide and conquer because we left some stuff on the bus. We thought we were gonna have more time, but we don't know. We don't know how long this line is gonna take. We don't know how long sound check is gonna be. We don't know, like, we just don't know so much. So we're gonna go back. We made little pickets that are really cute, but she's going back to grab that. So she'll be back in however long that takes her to get back.
The parking lot is too far.
It is really
Yes,
far. I think
it
she's
is
running.
far.
So
Yeah. So yeah.
let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture. Yes. Ay.
The world is yours.
Ikot pa yan.
Thank you. $27.28. Let me